Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. So I'm just about to cleanse my face because my skin's not feeling great. I need to eat my chocolate actually because that's a necessity. But I'm just about to get ready as well for my lecture because I have a 2-hour chemistry lecture, 12 till 2 today. So yeah, I'm just starting to get ready for that now because I've been editing this morning and getting that all sorted so it goes up on the right time today. I'm getting back into a routine where I'm uploading every day and I absolutely love it. Like, you guys know how much I love daily vlogging. I pretty much do it anyway at uni, which a lot of people find quite strange, but honestly I've embedded it like fully into my routine. Like, so I'll film throughout the day and then as soon as it hits the evening and when I go to bed, I edit in the evening, get it all sorted and uploaded, usually in the evening or the early morning, so that it can be uploaded at 4 PM the following day, which a lot of people think is quite a lot, but honestly, because I love editing so much, it's absolutely fine and I find that routine works amazing for me. So yeah, I just really enjoy it. So if anyone was wondering like how I daily vlog or why I do it and how I fit into my routine, it's just sort of like become part of it. I was about to cleanse my face because my skin's sort of feeling like a little bit sorry for itself, I think, and I don't usually get like very spotty or anything on my face, but I seem to get a few bits and pieces here by my... I'm just going to do a quick cleanse and then get ready and I'll chat to you when I'm on my way to uni. So my camera has been fixed. Great news. They've like cleaned everything. They've done so much to it, so more than I was expecting and wanted. So great service from Olympus there, and that's been returned so quickly. Yeah. In a week. No, yeah, I sent it off last Monday or Tuesday. So they've repaired this within a week. Yeah. So that's mad. So yeah, great service. If you're ever considering buying Olympus, they're really good with their like warranty and stuff. Like, I've got a 2-year warranty on this. I thought it was 1 year, but it's actually 24 months, so... Yay! So I'm back on my camera now, which means better quality. Wow, look at the difference of my face. It's obviously because I've cleansed and stuff, so my face tan like drops, but look at the difference. It looked worse over there, but it was like really dark and my face is a bit... Oh, I might have a cup of tea as well, actually. Me and Megan have just got all of our work out to do a bit of study-mas. So we're just doing some work. I don't know what Megan's doing, but we'll probably explain it in a second. So many of these stories by the time No? I feel like we're gonna have so many stories. I'm gonna crawl. I'm on the floor. Hey there. I can't. I'm so nervous. Help. So, oh. Meg's just fell down the stairs. Right, so I feel like we're gonna end up having so many stories about the boys next door, because obviously if you've been watching my vlogs for a while, you'll know that Megan's gone downstairs and like made a drink, and there's like these boys next door watching her through the window because we don't have a blind in the kitchen, and we were just crazy singing. Like I was singing so aggressively to the "Just hear those sleigh bells ring-a-ling-ding." We noticed, and the boys were looking in so they could hear us because the walls are so thin. Oh my god, are they still there? Right, so since me and Megan have been doing work, oh, we'll get the studio light in. We've decided that we're spontaneously gonna go out tonight. Oh, I've got some nice little spotties there. Just gonna go out for some cocktails, some like nice drinks. I'm wearing my new blue velvet dress, which I'm sure I'll show you better in a bit once I've got ready and stuff. We're just about to film a main channel, like get ready with us, like pre-drink with us, with the little Christmas tree in the background. So look out for that on my main channel, because I might get it up at the same time as this, or if not, just a couple of days after. Yeah, we're just about to film that. Megan's getting some drinks ready in the other room. We're having pink gin and lemonade. I'll get my strawberries out if you want.
Can you try that?
Yeah.
I don't really know how. I did like 3 capsules. I'm a bit strong.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Perfecto.
Yeah, I've got a little strawberry.
Yummy.
Do you want to take that in the room so we can just keep talking it out? So
Yeah. So we're just about to head to the taxi. They're watching our Miss Lib. I'm wearing Megan's coat because I don't have a coat that goes with this outfit, but I'm wearing my blue dress. I'll insert a photo or something of me and in the dress here, because we haven't had time to do an outfit of the day, outfit of the night. But we just filmed our Get Ready With Us, and now we're off on an adventure. Me and Meg are in Revs now. We've just gone for the classic porn star martini. You both fancied it, and we haven't had one in ages.
Yeah. I haven't had one since my birthday. Like from here. Like,
No, I don't think I have.
because these are the best ones. But
Yeah, defo. Nothing beats the Revs porn star martinis at all. So yeah, we decided to get some of those. Not really sure where the night's going to take us, but we're just going to roll with it.
I just feel like depending on how drunk we get is where we're going to end up.
Yeah. We're just going to live our lives and have a good time. It's almost Christmas.
We're 19 and 20.
We're 19 and 20. We should start getting out.
We're just trying to live our little life.
Yeah, and try not to let work take over, which we've been letting happen a lot.
I've been letting it get me down.
Yeah. And we can just have one night off, do you know what I mean? I know obviously the next day can be a bit rough, but
like I'll work more in the evening tomorrow.
yeah, exactly. It's fine.
It's fine. And our tan is slaying.
Yeah, our tan is slaying this
Thank
jumpsuit. Thank you, Bonton. Right, okay, we're going to do
How did your hair well nice?
Yeah, she did.
It's like wavy.
Yeah. We're just going to do a little outfit of the evening. I'm going to flip you around so you can see what Meg's wearing.
So I'm wearing this for the first time.
Is that I Saw It First?
Yeah, and my eyes were at first.
It looks amazing.
Lace bodysuit.
Yeah.
And we've got corally orangey colour.
Yeah, it's nice.
And they always do 50% off. So
Yeah.
this is usually at 24.
So many colours as well.
And I got it for, must have been like 12.
So
And I've just
good.
put like glasses over my nips so you can't see those. And then I've got this also I saw it first.
Yeah, it's like a paper bag waist,
Yeah,
isn't
it's
it?
ties.
It's like a black.
Which is different and it's really high-waisted, which is nice. And then my classic Primark shoes, which everyone needs to get.
And then your earrings.
Primark.
They're amazing. They look amazing. They look like Topshop.
Really? They're
they
quite
do.
heavy, but
Yeah, they look
for
quite.
it.
Yeah,
And this is accessorised.
accessorised little necklace.
Necklace. And then my top bag. And then my misguided denim jacket, but that was already counted.
So I've got this new like blue velvet. I don't know if you can tell on the camera.
A bit, yeah.
It's like blue velvet dress from Topshop with little silver buttons down the side. It kind of like
Can't see the buttons.
the buttons
Yay.
there. And it's sort of like ruches.
It's really
like,
flattering.
isn't it? Yeah, like ruches around
Yeah.
the waist, and then I've got around here. Knee high boots.
Where's ASOS?
Yeah, ASOS.
Yeah.
My original ones were from I Saw It First, and then they just didn't fit right. So the ASOS and £30. They keep doing like deals on those shoes. So I'll try link them down below or something similar, but they're really comfy.
So
Update: we're now in Trebles by accident. Never been here before, which I know Carrie will just fucking scream at me for.
yeah, so we tried to get into craft and it was fucking
It was shut, like on the only day, like apart from another, that it's shut. Like of course it was, like that's our luck.
So we walked back down the high street and we were like, where can we go? And then we thought, Trebles. Because we've never been, and I've got this.
And I've got this.
Triple vodka with Fanta lemon and then Fanta fruit twist. They were like £3.
How amazing. For
That's the same as like,
vodka,
I would pay more than that
Fanta
for a
fruit twist.
double in like Revs. And they're like that big.
Or even like a single in some places, like it's like £3.
A joke, yeah.
And this is £3 something.
And it's so yummy.
It is delicious.
We're just slowly getting waved. We're not sure what we're going to do next.
No. But we're going to move around. We're going to have a good time.
Yeah. Hi, Hans. So, we're still in Trebles and we are
Getting wavy.
getting litty.
For Vlogmas Day 3.
I really need like a straightening on this too. But
It's fine.
like they're all kind of okay except for that.
It's fine.
Yeah, so we're just drinking our drink.
Oh.
I need to hurry up.
Hurry up, yeah.
But I actually really like it in here. It's really like nice vibes.
It's chill,
It's
yeah.
got like loud music, so it feels like it's a bit like clubby.
And then we're like just sitting on these little sofas.
Yeah, and they're
Quite chill.
comfy. It's just a bit cold, but
Yeah. I mean, I'm okay, so if you want to use this, you can use it.
yay!
Who's this?
It's getting busier now. Ready?
It's going down, it goes down. Oh, rough.
It's really funny.
It is triple. Oh. Really sure what's going on now, but
I've drank a lot of body.
a lot of vodka. A lot of vodka, but
Am I-
having a great night.
There's cameras in here.
Oh no.
Shit. Shit. I just enjoy being
Oh my
drunk.
god, my laugh. Yeah, me too. We're having a great time
Let's
so
play
far. We're
some
just having a
Lil.
little bit
Let's play
of
some
a
Lil.
chat. Huh?
play some
Yay.
Lil.
We're gonna FaceTime Lily. Shout out to Lily if you're watching.
Shout out to Lily Hill, my stepsister.
That's my stepsister.
Hey Lil!
Woo! Oh, a mistake. Just in the big toilets.
It's got a screen protector, it's okay.
Okay, thank God. Oh my God.
It's okay.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna make you
Okay, I'll
pay for it.
double. Okay, I want to make double.
So
I'm gonna pay double.
we got into Big Colour. Cookie paid for us both because she's a little sweetheart.
You can't do that on the vlog.
Something to vlog seriously.
Okay.
So we went to Trebles. It was fucking amazing.
I
in
actually
there.
love it in there.
It was like
It was really chill.
Like
We could just have
a good place to have free drinks, wasn't
We're
it?
having a little serious combo.
little deep combo.
A little deep combo.
A little best friend combo.
Yay.
We missed our little hat.
We did miss our hat.
Yeah, we were just talking about that and how life changes, man.
Yeah. So we're just about to just jump on the... We're not in beer killer attire.
No,
you know what I mean?
we're a bit dressed up for Big Colour, but I think
We're in the toilets, by the way.
we keep thinking Sophia and Chintzia dress up for so much.
We just think, fuck it, like, who even gets...
If I
If
wanna
people judge
look
my
nice in
outfits, I will kill them.
Yeah, like if I feel nice, like this is what I feel nice in.
Yeah, so who cares what anyone else thinks?
Yeah, like
Because we feel nice.
Yeah.
That's why I wish I was
Like
more
why
like...
don't like a lot of other people wear like jeans and tops and they look good and I don't feel good in jeans.
You look sick in that.
Like in jeans I feel like I've got a bit of a stomach, like my bum doesn't look good, but like in this I feel good, so why am I not allowed to wear this?
Yeah, we look sick. And you should embrace it. Whatever you feel comfortable in, don't give a fuck what anyone else thinks because
Yeah.
it's just irrelevant. Because guess what? You don't even know them, and also like you'll never see them in 5 years. So guess what? It doesn't matter.
And like we both have assignments due like next week, but you need to live your life.
100%, because you never know when something drastic will drop on you.
Yeah, like things have happened in both our lives that make you just realise, like, I need to live it.
Yeah, we just need to live our lives. Like, we're going to finish our assignments on time.
Yeah,
of course
always. If they're not the biggest grade you wanted, then that's okay. Like,
as long as you get a grade from it, like, it's fine.
We'll always finish them on time.
Yeah.
That's the people we are.
I will look back at these experiences and be so grateful we came out.
And lived a little.
Yeah.
I've got no money.
Neither have I.
But what does it matter when you can get triple vodka Fanta lemonade for £3?
Exactly. It's an absolute bonus.
Hello! Say Charlotte's gonna be sick.
Charlotte's gonna be sick.
I have no idea where we last left off, but this is the current position. Yeah, this is the current position we're in. Me and Megan do not feel great. I feel like my blood has been replaced with vodka, and I feel like someone has. Yeah, I think feel like someone's been grating my brain off. Like a horrible analogy, but it's the best one to use.
Oh, my head is pounding.
I've never felt worse, to be honest. I don't really ever feel this bad when I wake up the following morning after an out, but I just feel horrific. I threw up in the bath last night and I just had to clean it all up.
Oh, stop it, I'll be sick.
Megan's been throwing up bright yellow liquids this morning. Oh, just about to happen again. But yeah, thank you very much for watching day 3 of Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4. Oh.
I'm gonna lose my plugs.
Oh no.
Merry Christmas.